हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द मैथ चैनल। हम लोगों ने पिछले वीडियो में ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज का पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर ली थी, जिसमें हमने लॉट्स और हॉट्स वाले क्वेश्चंस भी किए थे। अब आर.डी. शर्मा बुक में आपकी एक्सरसाइज 10.2 भी है, जहां पर आपको कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज दिए हैं, वैल्यू दी गई है और आपको एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू निकालनी है। और बाय एनी मेथड यू कैन फाइंड, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आप आइडेंटिटीज भी यूज कर सकते हैं। अब तो आपने आइडेंटिटीज भी सीख ली हैं और आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वाला मेथड भी पता है जो आपने इनिशियल सीखा था, तो आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इफ साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1/√2, फाइंड अदर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ थीटा। See, you are having sin theta as 1/√2. So cosec theta will be reverse of sin theta, that will be √2. And जब sin theta 1/√2 होता है तो cos theta हो जाता है √1 minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus 1/2, that is again 1/2 or 1/√2. Then sec theta will be √2. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Tan theta will be sin theta upon cos theta, that is 1/√2, 1/√2, that is 1, and cot theta is equal to the reciprocal of tan theta, that is again 1. So all the remaining ratios we have found for theta. Sin theta is 1/√2, cos theta is 1/√2, sec theta is √2, cosecant theta is √2, tan theta is 1, and cot theta is 1. See next question. Tan theta is 1/√2. You have to find the value of the expression cosecant square theta minus sec square theta upon cosecant square theta plus cot square theta. So we require only these four trigonometric ratios. Tan theta is 1/√2. So cot theta will be √2 and cot square theta will be 2. And with the help of the identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We'll get the value of cosec square theta. Cosecant square theta is 3. So we are having the values. We require sec square theta also. So tan theta is 1/√2. Sec square theta will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus 1/2. So that will be 3/2. Now we'll be substituting the values. 3 minus 3/2 upon 3 plus 2. So after taking LCM, 6 minus 3/2 upon 5. So this is 3/2 into 1/5. So this is 3/10. See, this question you can do in many ways. Tan theta can be written as 3/4. So if you want to put the direct value of tan theta, you have to divide the numerator and denominator of the given expression by cos theta. So you will get tan theta over here, but you have to find the value of sec theta here. So you can do in this way, or if tan theta is given to you as 3/4, so this is perpendicular and this is base. So hypotenuse will be 5. Okay, so directly you can find the value of sin theta as 3/5 and cos theta as 4/5. So substituting the value in the given expression, 4 into 3/5 minus 4/5 plus 1 upon 4 into 3/5 plus 4/5 minus 1. So this is 12/5 minus 4/5 plus 5/5 whole upon 12/5 plus 4/5 minus 5/5. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, and here 11. So 13/11 is the correct answer. Or you can do in another way, dividing the numerator by cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta, this will change into 4 tan theta minus cos theta upon cos theta is 1 plus sec theta whole upon 4 tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. So I require the value of sec theta over here. So sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta will be 9 upon 16, 25 upon 16, sec theta will be 5 upon 4, or we have cos theta, so we can find the value with the help of cos theta also. So directly substitute the value. After solving this also, you'll get the same. LCM is 4, 12 minus 4 plus 5 upon 12 plus 4 minus 5 upon 4. So this will be again 13 upon 11. So you can do in any of the way. See, in this question, you can again find the value of sine theta with the help of this, or you can simplify this by multiplying with the conjugate and then you can write, but that will be lengthy. So you can directly find tan theta is 12 upon 5. This is perpendicular upon base. So hypotenuse square will be 12k square plus 5k square, 144k square plus 25k square. So that is 169k square. This is 13k. So sine theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 1 plus 12 upon 13, 1 minus 12 upon 13. So this will be 13 plus 12 upon 13, 13 minus 12 upon 13. This 13 will be cancelled. Answer is 25 upon 1, or you can write 25. See, fifth question, if cot theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of 1 minus cos square theta upon 2 minus sin square theta. So we can do this question in another way also. Cot theta 1 upon root 3, cot 60 पर होता है. So the value of theta is 60 degree. I will be substituting 60 degree at the place of theta and I will get the answer. So 1 minus 1 upon 4, because cos 60 is 1 upon 2, and 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. So this is 3 upon 4. So this is 4 minus 1 upon 4, and this is 8 minus 3 upon 4. This is 3 upon 5. See, there are many ways to do this. Again, cosecant of A is root 2. So the value of A can be written as 45 degrees. But if you want to use the identities, so cosecant of A is the reciprocal of sine. So sine A will be 1 upon root 2. And when sine A is 1 upon root 2, the cos A is also 1 upon root 2. And we require cot square A. So cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So this is 2 minus cot square A is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to cot square A. So the value of cot square A is 1. So we will be substituting the value, and tan square A will also be equal to 1. We will be substituting the value in the expression. 2 into sin square A will be 1 upon 2 plus 3 into cot square A is 1. 4 into tan square A is 1 and cos square A is 1 upon 2. So this is cancelled. So here 4 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. 4 is cancelled. Answer is 2. See again, cot theta is given to you. So we require the value of cot square theta, that will be 3. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta will be 1 plus cot square theta, that is 1 plus 3, and that is 4. And sec square theta, how you will find? we'll get the value of tan square theta is 1 upon 3 and sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So it will be 1 plus 1 upon 3. So the value will be 4 upon 3. Now we'll be substituting the values. Cosecant square theta is 4 plus 3 upon cosec square theta is again 4 and sec square theta is 4 upon 3. So 7 upon 12 minus 4 upon 3. So 7 upon 8 upon 3. So this will be 7 into 3 by 8, that is 21 by 8. See next question, if 3 cos theta is equal to 1, find the value of the given expression. So we require the value of sin square theta and tan square theta. So I am having cos theta as 1 upon 3, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus 1 upon 9. So it will be 9 minus 1 upon 9, that is 8 upon 9. Then we require tan square theta. So that will be equal to sin square theta upon cos square theta. So 8 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 9. So that will be equal to 8. Substituting the value 6 into 8 upon 9 plus tan square theta is 8 whole upon 4 into 1 upon 3. So this is 16 plus 24 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3. 16 plus 24 is 40 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. This is cancelled and the answer is 10. See what the expression is given. Root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. So tan theta can be written as 3 upon root 3 sin theta. So here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So this will be left. And sin theta upon cos theta I can write as tan theta. So sin theta is equal to root 3 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta minus root 3 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. So the value sin theta can be taken as common. 1 minus root 3 cos theta is equal to 0. So either sin theta is equal to 0 or 1 minus root 3 cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta will be equal to 1 upon root 3. When sin theta is equal to 0, so cos theta will be under root of 1 minus sin square theta, then cos theta will be 1. So the expression, the value of the expression sin square theta minus cos square theta will be 0 minus 1, answer is minus 1. Or when cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, sin theta is under root 2 upon 3, substituting the value 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, this will be 1 upon 3. See next question, if cosecant of theta is equal to 13 upon 12, you have to find the value of the given expression. So we require the value of sin theta. Sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. So this will be 12 upon 13. Now cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So that will be 1 minus 144 upon 169. So this will be under root of 169 minus 144 upon 169. So this will be 25 upon 169. So this is 5 upon 13. Substituting the value in the given expression, 2 into 12 upon 13 minus 3 into 5 upon 13 whole upon 4 into 12 upon 13 minus 9 into 5 upon 13. So this is 24 minus 15 whole upon 13 whole upon 48 minus 45 upon 13. So this is 9 upon 13 divided by 3 upon 13. So 9 upon 13 multiplied by 13 upon 3. So the answer is 3. C. This is the good question. How you will solve? If sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sine theta, you have to find the value of cot theta. So what are you observing? Cos theta is equal to root 2 sine theta minus sine theta. I can write. I am transposing this sine theta to the right hand side. So cos theta sine theta is common. So root 2 minus 1. So cos theta upon sine theta is equal to root 2 minus 1, and cot theta, cos theta upon sine theta can be written as cot theta, and the value of cot theta is root 2 minus 1. See next question. If 2 sine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2, then find the value of theta. So how you will find the value? See, 2 sine square theta minus 2. I'm transposing this 2 over here and cos square theta to that side. So I can take 2 as common. So this is sine square theta minus 1 cos square theta, and this I can write as minus cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. So minus 2 cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. So minus 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 0. So minus 3 cos square theta is equal to 0. So cos square theta is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 0. When is cos theta is equal to 0? Cos theta 0 कब होता है 90 डिग्री पर. So by comparing, theta is equal to 90 degrees. See, what is being given to you? Root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Then is tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. You can find the value of theta, or you can find the value of sine and cos separately. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be 1 plus 1 upon 3. Right? So this can be written as 4 upon 3. So cos square theta will be the reciprocal of sec square theta. So that is 3 upon 4. And sine square theta minus cos square theta. I can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 and minus cos square theta is already there. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 into 3 upon 4. So 1 minus 3 upon 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So dear students, we have completed exercise 10.2 in this video. So if this video deserves a like, kindly smash the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.